Jonah, you told me you'd share some painting tips with me if I would help you paint this room.
Well, that's a pretty good deal. And in fact, I'll show you one right off the bat that works really well when you're painting from a roller tray like this, which is, I think, the way most homeowners paint. It's quick, it's relatively easy, it's a fast way to get paint on the wall. But as you know, you spend more time sometimes cleaning up a paint job than actually painting.
Oh, yeah.
So what you can do when you're painting from a roller tray like this is you can buy a plastic liner that fits in there, makes cleanup easy. And it costs less than $1 a piece. But you can save some time and money by just using an old grocery bag like this. You can just slip it over the tray. Now the first thing I'm going to do is turn it inside out because any printing on the bag might dissolve and come off in the paint, and we definitely don't want that.
Boy, every house has plenty of these things.
Yeah, there's a really good use for them rather than just tossing them out.
Okay.
So you just slip it over the tray, push it down a little bit. It won't cover the whole tray, but that's more than enough for you to get the paint in and for the roller to fit in.
Okay, and then after everything's finished, then you can just peel it off and kind of just go ahead and throw it right in the garbage can and it's done.
Absolutely. What you want to do is first, obviously, pour off any excess paint that might be left in it. Then slip it off, and you want to turn it inside out so you don't get the paint all over you. And just slip it right off and come off nice and neat, and let it dry. Let the paint inside dry, and then throw it out in the everyday trash.